Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating another Euphoria look for you guys. I really like this look. I haven't really seen anyone else recreate it, and I love teal, I love glitter, and I love color, especially lately. I've been loving color on my lips, but I wanted to create something that not everyone has been recreating, just to switch it up a little bit for you guys. But the look that I am recreating is from Donnie.Davy. I will list their Instagram down below for you guys so you can follow them. And this is the look that we are recreating. It is a teal sharp eye, very defined with some glitter, and a really nice orangey bold lip. So I pretty much just used everything that I had in, everything that I already used. And yeah, I really liked the way this look came out. But if you guys want to see how I got this look and what products I use, please keep on watching. And as always, all product details will be listed down below for you guys. The video may be a little longer because I do talk a bunch in the video, as always, but I'm just trying to explain so you guys can understand what I'm doing. But if I wasn't talking, it would definitely take me about 5 minutes to recreate, minus putting on the lashes. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So for today's look, I'm primarily going to use this palette right here. This is the Colourpop and Kathleenlights Dream Street palette. And she actually has two really nice teal shades. I think I'm going to start off with the all matte and then add a little bit of this shimmer right here. And then to create that really nice shape, I'm just going to use this Morphe G15, and I'm also gonna use this flat line definer just to make sure the edges are really nice and sharp. So I'm just going to start off with this Morphe G15 brush and just slowly start building this color and creating my shape. You always want to start off with a very small amount. And I'm just going to go ever so slightly above my crease. Well, I'm sorry, above my lid, because I want this to be able to show with my eyes closed. And then I also created that really sharp edge just for that shape. And I'm going to connect it. And I'm just going to fill everything in. So I'm pretty happy with the shape that I got, and I'm just dusting off any kind of fallout. So the next step is using that same brush and the same eyeshadow. I'm just going to run that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to bring it all the way in. So now I am also going to go in with this shade right here. It's the teal, but it has a little bit of shimmer. And I'm just going to pat this on the top. And I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom, using that same shimmer metallic shade. So before I add any glitter, I'm just going to add a little bit of black eyeliner into my waterline. I'm going to tightline and add this into the lower lash line. I'm just using Max Feline. You can use whatever you have. And I'm just going to go pretty heavy-handed with it. And I'm making sure that I get really inside the inner corner as well. Okay, so I'm going to also take that black eyeliner, I sharpened it, and I'm going to create a very small point. So for the fun part is adding the glitter. Based off of the picture that I see, it does look like it's more of a silvery holographic glitter. It actually looks more on the silver side, but I'm pretty much just going to use what I have. I have two options for you guys. I actually like both of these glitters. My favorite glitters ever are these Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liners. They are a little pricey, but a little goes a really long way, and they're just really, really easy to work with. So this one is in Pyro. And then I also have this NYX Glitter, I mean, it just says it's a face and body glitter, and this is GLI06. This is a really, really beautiful glitter as well. Absolutely love this. It's really nice chunky glitter. So you can pretty much use whatever you have. Because the picture looks like the glitter chunks are a little more on the chunkier side, I'm just going to go in with this, but just wanted to give you guys an alternative. And with that, I am going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. It broke, so I just kind of taped everything together. I meant to just depot it into a smaller container, and I just completely forgot. So I am just going to apply a small amount of this on the back of my hand. As you see, it literally is broken. So a lot may come out. Hopefully anything comes out. Hopefully it's not dried out. Nope, it's coming out. Oh, this is a mess. Okay. So you want to take that glitter primer and just use a flat definer brush. And I am just going to pat this onto the eyeshadow. It's okay if you're skipping a few areas, because you don't want this super, super glittery. Obviously, if you do, then go ahead. But I'm just ever so slightly adding this and just patting it. And you always want to start off with a very small amount. And make sure you get in the inner corner. And now I'm just going to take some glitter. And this is what it should look like. I'm not really sure if you can see it. But now I'm just going to tap it on. So that's what that should look like. Now I'm going to flip the other side of the same brush, and I'm just going to use a very small amount and pretty much just want to apply the same steps to the lower lash line, and just be really gentle and careful. You want to use the glitter liner for this area in particular. It's going to be perfect for it, but I'm just going to take my time and just really be careful. I hate getting glitter in my eyes because I feel like it takes weeks to get out, literally. Okay, and going back in, I'm pretty much just using whatever in the cap because I kind of shook it up a little bit. And then I'm just being very careful. And I want to make sure there's a little bit of glitter in the inner tear duct. Just for some really nice sparkles. So I am going to use a little bit of this heavy metal liner, and I really just want to focus this on the inner portion of my eye. Just because my brush was a little too big, so I really wasn't able to get enough glitter. And I just didn't want to reach for another brush, to be honest. Perfect. What I like to do is clean off the tip of it also, just to make sure it doesn't stain the brush. So I'm going to also go back in with my Feline eyeliner, and I'm just going to add a very small amount on the top part. So just because it looks like her lashes have just a very small amount of eyeliner, and I'm not being super precise. I just want a little bit of definition, and my lashes will cover it. So for my lashes, I'm going to try these. These are from Lashaholic, and this is in the style Instaglam. This is what they look like, and I'm just going to prep this with some lash glue. So for my lips, I am going in with MAC's Stripdown. It's just a really nice nude lip liner just to define my lips a little bit. And then I'm going to use a little bit of MAC's Dangerous lipstick. It is this really nice, beautiful, bright orange, and it looks really similar to the shade that she has on in the picture. So because this lipstick is a little drying, it is a matte, I'm just going to add a little bit of this Glossier Mint Balm.com. I'm literally taking the smallest amount, and I'm just going to use my lip brush and just apply this. So this is the complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like the way it turned out. I love teal. I love glitter. I love color. So I thought this look was going to be perfect. It literally took little to no effort, and you came out with a really nice, beautiful, creative look. But I will make sure that I list the makeup artist who created this look for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.